Everyone, so guys, once again, welcome to my new video. And you can have a look here that I have weared a sweater, and because we all know that it's winter season, and in Chhattisgarh, the weather is very cold. We are feeling very cold, and we cannot. I think that we cannot survive without wearing any sweater. So that is why, and main thing is that I'm making this video at night time, because in noon time, in daytime, I was busy. I didn't get time for making video, and now I got free time. So I decided that I must talk with all of you. I must share my today's experience. How was my today? So guys, overall, I will be sharing my today's experience because today I haven't done anything, but I got so many experience from today's time that I'm gonna share with you. Every day we must learn something from our day, right? So I have learned something that I'm gonna share with all of you. So please, if you wanna know something, if you wanna learn something from my video, from my efforts, so watch this video till the very end. Otherwise, if you are not interested in English language, so this video is not for you. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. I haven't done means I wanted to make video, but because of some obstacle, I didn't make. So while I was recording my voice, I just recorded 2 minutes. And after that, I suddenly one thing came into my mind that I am not doing as I want to do. I'm not making video as I want. I'm not showing my ability what I have. I'm not showing my ability. I'm just paying formality of making video. That time I realized that no, it is not the way of making video. I have something. I must apply that things while making video. So guys, every time I speak like this that I'm speaking right now, okay? And while making video, I feel that it is not my real ability that I can do. I'm very confident person, and while making video, and I feel that while making video, I can move my hand, I can do so many gesture or posture I can do. But unfortunately, and because of something, I do not do that things. But I decided that will be very helpful for me because I do not feel very happy whenever I make any video because I just feel that yes, I'm paying formality, and that is not going to help me a lot for helping myself and for doing something. I must utilize my ability that I have. I am very confident person and I can speak in front of people. So, and while speaking, I can edutainment. Edutainment means I can make people uh, aware that yes, they must have education, and as well as I can teach them edutainment, education plus entertainment. So I have that kind of ability, and I feel that while making video in my videos, I do not aid that kind of things. Because of that, maybe people may be thinking that she is speaking, only speaking, she is not adding anything else. So that is why I decided that I will upload some vlogging video, and as well as I will upload some public speaking kind of video so that we can improve our skill as well as we can learn English language. It will be very helpful for all the learner. So that is why please be with me and please support me so that I could continue my journey. So guys, this is the things that I wanted to share, and I always say that learn from your days, learn from your time. And guys, I will meet you very soon in next video. Until then, take care. Keep learning. Keep focusing. Have a good night. If it is night, have a good night. If it is a day, so enjoy your day. Tata, bye bye.